Welcome back, boys, in your math class. Today in math, we are going to start a new lesson in Unit 2A. The name of the lesson is Where Are the Arrays? It is on page number 40 of your learner's book. So kindly open your page number 40 of your learner's book. So in this lesson, we are going to understand addition and multiplication. We will draw some of the arrays. As you can see in your book, we have the equation. What we have to do, we have to draw a array. For this, what we can do, we can draw array like this. So in this array, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 4 rows, or you can draw like 4 columns and 5 rows. Both the answer is going to be 20. You can see here in the first diagram, we have 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many rows we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can rather add 5 4 times, or we can add 4 5 times. We can multiply 4 with 5 or 5 with 4. Our answer is going to be the same, that is 20. So what you have to do, boys, in your book, the arrays, the equation is given. You have to draw a diagram. So you can draw this one or this one. Any one of this you can draw in your book in front of the equation. Any one, this or this. Whichever you find it's easy, you have to draw like that one. You can put 5 columns and 4 rows, or you can put 4 columns and 5 rows. All the diagram is going to be correct, okay, because they haven't given us any specific details about it. What was the question? Where is the array? So you have to draw the array on front of your equation on your learner's book. Moving on to the second array. Let's see what is that question. Here was 5 multiplied by 4, or 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. And you have to draw this diagram in front of the equation. For this diagram, you have to draw 5 circles in columns and 4 circles in rows. So this will make 20, and your answer is going to be correct. Let's see another array, array number 2. This says 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. You are going to add 2 5 times, okay? Or you are going to add 5 2 times. Your answer is going to be 10. If you multiply 2 with 5 or 5 with 2, your answer will be 10. So for this, we have to draw an array. Here you can see we have 2 columns and 5 rows. You can count the circles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. You can make 2 columns and 5 rows, or you can make 5 columns and 2 rows. It's up to you. Just you have to draw the diagram in front of the equation in your book. Here it is. You don't have to write. This is just for understanding. The question is already given. You have to draw the array. Array number 3. 5 plus 5, 10 times, or you can add 10 5 times. Your answer is going to be 50. This means you are going to draw 50 circles. 10 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 10 equals 50. So here is it, 10 multiplied by 5. I have kept 5 columns and 10 rows. Okay, there is a question in your book. In the last, you can see, they say, now draw an array for 15. What he's asking, to draw an array for 15. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw an array like this. 3 columns and 5 rows. You can write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 5 times, or you can add 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5, or you can multiply 3 with 5 or 5 with 3 equals 15. So we have to draw an array of 15. Here in your picture, you can see I have drawn a picture array of 15. I have kept made 3 columns. You can make it in 5 columns in 3 rows. In each row, I'm going to make 5 circles. And when we are going to draw, we are going to count, it will be 15. So let's count with me, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the array of 15. It's up to you. You can write 5, you can make 5 columns and 3 rows, or if you want 3 columns and 5 rows. This is the drawing of an array for 15. So boys, the question is, how many in each column? So how many were in each column? Right, 3 columns. Okay, you can see here we make 3 columns. So the question is, how many columns? 3. 1, 2, 3. So write in front of the question, how many in each column? 3. And the last question is, how many in each row? So in each row, we had 5 circles. You can see here. So we make 5 rows. 1, 2. You have to draw it in your notebook. Arrays. Draw array for each equation. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. So first one I'm doing, I will choose a star. So what he says, 3, 3, you have to make 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have like this you can make, or you can draw another time, make 3, 3, 3. So here it's going to be 3 rows and 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay. So next one is your task. Try to do it. I will do one more for you people. Here it is. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. So how many times we are adding 5? 3 times. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows and 5 columns and 3 rows equals 15. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16, and 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6 is your task. So do this task in your notebook, and after you finish, you can send me the picture. So this is your final. We have drawn the array and we have written the equations that were left also. So you can draw first and then you can write the equations. But the question is draw array for each equation. Okay, if you have finished drawing the array, no, it's okay. But if you like, you can write the equations as well.